Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make this new slime, and I'm gonna let my Instagram followers choose what I put in it, the texture and the color, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to buy the slime, it will be in my Pride restock on June 5th. Alright, first I asked you if you wanted it to be a jelly slime or a chewed up slime, which is basically like a crunchy slime. So you guys chose jelly slime, so I'm just going to add this clear glue in first. Alright, so I added in my snow and a secret ingredient that I always use in my jelly slimes. And next, I asked you guys if you wanted it to be blue or green. And it was actually a tie, so I'm actually going to add in both colors to make it turquoise. One drop blue and one drop green. Then we mix. Okay, look at that beautiful color. Wow. Alright, so now we're just going to add in our activator. Oh, that looked really weird, but yeah. And this is just going to come together like a regular slime. Okay, this is the slime all made. So it's feeling pretty thick, pretty nice. And next up, I asked you guys if you wanted to add in pink sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles, and you guys said rainbow sprinkles, which makes sense because it's, you know, Pride Month. But I'm actually gonna add both because I just realized that I have two other slimes with rainbow sprinkles in them, so I'm just gonna add both. Sorry about that, it's just like, you know, I want each slime to be pretty unique and all. So that is why. Okay, and finally I asked you if you wanted these sprinkles, these greenish blue ones, or these sprinkles, I mean glitters, you guys, or these glitters, and you guys said these ones, so I'm actually going to top these off when I package the slime, so I'm not going to add it right here, so you can see my restock video or my restock with me to see the final product. So yeah, I hope you guys loved this video. This is my personal of the slime, but I will be making a really big batch of it, so you guys can buy it on my restock June 5th. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Check out my Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!